Hi, this is Akshar Roy. As the depression over the southeast Bay of Bengal intensified into cyclonic storm Monta, the India Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert for 3 districts and an yellow alert for 15 districts in Telangana for tomorrow. According to the IMD, the storm Munta is expected to cross the Andhra coast between Machilipatnam and Kalingapatnam near Kakinada as a severe cyclonic storm. Due to the warning issued by the IMD, the Southern Railway and the East Coast Railway has cancelled trains for tomorrow.
ಮೊಂತಾ ತುಫಾನು హెచ్చరిక మొంతా తుఫాను హెచ్చరిక మొంతా తుఫాను 28వ తేదీన కాకినాడ సమీపంలో తీరం దాటే అవకాశం ఉంది. గ్రామ ప్రజలందరూ అప్రమత్తంగా ఉండి తగిన జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాల్సిందిగా తెలియజేయడమైనది.
తర్వాత ఆల్రెడీ
The cyclone Monta now lies over southwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal, and it is about 440 kilometers east-southeast of Chennai and 490 kilometers south-southeast of Kakinada and 530 kilometers south-southeast of Visakhapatnam and 710 kilometers south of Gopalpur. It is likely to move in north-northwestward direction and intensify further into severe cyclonic storm by 20th October morning, and it is likely to continue to move further in north-northwestward direction, and it is likely to cross Andhra Pradesh coast between Machilipatnam and Kalingapatnam around Kakinada on 28th evening or night with the severe cyclonic storm with the maximum sustained wind speed of 90 to 100 kmph and at the maximum of 110 kmph. Under its influence, light to moderate or heavy rainfall is likely to occur at many places of Andhra Pradesh for today and tomorrow, that is 27th October and 28th October. And further, when we can expect heavy to very heavy with isolated extremely heavy rainfall, especially over the coastal districts of Andhra Pradesh, right from Prakasam district to Vizianagaram district. We can expect heavy to very heavy with isolated extremely heavy rainfall, and other districts along the interior part will be having heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places, and Kurnool, Anantapur and Satyasai districts will have isolated heavy rainfall. And this is for 27th, that is for today. And for tomorrow, many of the places, that is right from Prakasam district to entire North Andhra districts, all the districts will be having heavy to very heavy with isolated extremely heavy rainfall, and the remaining southern districts of Andhra Pradesh, that is Nandyal, Kadapa, Annamaya and Tirupati and Nellore will be having heavy to very heavy at isolated places, and other districts will have isolated heavy rainfall. And if we see the warning, so people are requested to be very careful, especially due to the heavy to very heavy rainfall. And along with that, even on 29th after crossing, it is likely to cross on 20th October evening or night, but even after crossing also till 29th also, we will have isolated heavy to very heavy with extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places in the mainly in the districts of Eluru, NTR, then West Godavari, Guntur and Krishna district, and the same way Parvatipuram, Srikakulam and Vijayanagaram. So these districts and the remaining part of the districts of North Coastal Andhra Pradesh, Alluri Sitaramaraju, Kakinada, West Godavari, East Godavari, Konasima, Anakapalli will be having isolated heavy to very heavy rains. And along with that, we will have extreme, very strong winds, gale winds we will have from 90 to 100 kmph at the maximum of 110 kmph, especially on 28th and 29th. And today also the wind started picking up from 60 to 70 kmph along the coast, and the sea condition will be very rough, and that is till 29th afternoon, and we expect storm surge of 1 meter height above the astronomical tide. So there is likelihood of flooding or inundation of especially in the coastal areas over coastal Andhra and Yanam. And because of this very heavy rains and very strong gale winds, fishermen warning is there. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea till 29th. So under this influence of cyclone, uprooting of trees, electric poles, telecommunication poles are likely, and even mudslide, landslide can occur in ghat areas, and local flooding or even riverine flooding can occur, and even huts, thatched huts or weak structures can also collapse. And not only that, even the unnecessary travel may be avoided because of very heavy, extremely heavy rainfall and very strong winds of even 110 kmph. So people are requested to remain safe, and especially at the time of crossing the cyclone crossing time, people are advised not to come out and to remain in a safer place, and unnecessary travel may be avoided. Thank you.